guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cotton swabs that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Q-Tips Original 100% Cotton Swabs 750 count. The Q-Tips Cotton Swabs are a versatile tool for your home, hygiene, and beauty needs. With soft buds made from 100% cotton, they offer gentle care perfect for cleaning your ears safely. The paper sticks are eco-friendly, coming from sustainable forests, so you can feel good about using them. These swabs are also delicate enough for sensitive tasks, like cleaning around your newborn's belly button or nose, making baby care easier for you. Whether you need a reliable beauty helper or a gentle hygienic tool, Q-Tips Cotton Swabs provide the convenience and softness you want. At number 4, we have the Q-Tips Cotton Swabs 625 count. Q-tip swabs are the perfect home, hygiene, and beauty tool. Made with 100% cotton, the soft buds are gentle and delicate enough for sensitive jobs like baby hygiene. Use them to clean around your newborn's belly button or around your baby's nose. They are also great for cleaning electronics, as the cotton-tipped applicators are perfect for dusting between the keys on computer keyboards or cleaning out phone ports. The paper sticks are sourced from sustainable forests. With 625 count, you can have enough for your daily use or for a longer period. Q-tip swabs are versatile and convenient, making them a must-have in every household. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Cotton Swabs. Amazon Basics Cotton Swabs are double-tipped with 100% cotton, making them soft yet strong enough for your beauty and skincare needs. These swabs are great for beauty, baby, and home use. They are perfect for touching up nail polish, lipstick, eyeliner, and other cosmetics. The soft 100% cotton tips are delicate enough for baby's soft skin and ideal for makeup removal and application. You can easily reorder by voice using your Echo device or Alexa on the Amazon app. Plus, they come with a satisfaction guarantee. At number 2, we have the Q-Tips Cotton Swabs. Q-Tips Cotton Swabs are perfect for delicate tasks, especially when it comes to the care of your newborn or pets. Their soft texture ensures that you can clean sensitive areas, like your baby's belly button or between tiny toes, without causing discomfort. These swabs are also hygienic, making them a safe choice for various uses. Whether you're tending to your little ones or your furry friends, these cotton swabs provide the gentle touch you need for effective cleaning. Enjoy the convenience of having a pack of 3, so you always have enough on hand for those important care routines. And finally, at number 1, we have the Q-Tips Cotton Swabs Travel Pack 30 count. The Q-Tips Travel Cotton Swabs are a handy pack of 30, designed for multiple uses. You can easily apply acne treatments with these swabs, helping you target spots precisely, without mess. They're also great for dipping in your favorite fragrance oil and sealing in a plastic bag, so you can freshen up by dabbing on pulse points anytime. In addition, these swabs are perfect for cleaning tight bathroom spaces like around faucets and tile grout, making your cleaning tasks simpler and more thorough. Overall, the Q-Tips Travel Cotton Swabs offer convenience for personal care and household cleaning on the go. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!